Carla here with MT-RSR, and today we're going to tackle another industry challenge facing a lot of shop owners. Imagine a tire repair solution that is not only efficient, but it also fits seamlessly into any shop environment. Our new Tire Repair Toolbox boasts a slim, compact design, ensuring it fits easily into your shop. Paired with the ESCO tire spreader and equipped with a powerful light, this simplifies deployment in any location, enabling you to establish a tire repair station anywhere in your shop with ease. Order your toolbox today, stocked with your favorite tire repair products, and revolutionize the way you do tire repairs.